Hello. Today is Thursday and I'm not working. I've been up since yesterday and I'm going tomorrow. I'm getting ready, guys. Yeah, I'm going tomorrow to get some cushions and blankets like this. I said that's for Jordan. He's been using that, so I said to him I need to get another one for myself, so I bought these for $10. Ito $25 yung blanket kasi I need more kasi it's winter na, malamig na dito sa Adelaide kasi it's winter this next month, June, which is like today. Starting today it's been really cold sa umaga and then sa gabi malamig sobra. Though my heater naman kami, we don't use it because it's expensive. Guys, dito na ako sa car and I'm driving without Jordan. Ako lang mag-isa mag-drive. Feels weird kasi wala dito si Jordan and I've been driving alone. I've been driving by myself. So, namimiss ko si Jordan sa car. pag weekends, pag wala kaming pasok and yeah, we go for a drive. Sometimes he drives and I drive. Pero lately, pag weekdays, pag wala akong pasok and I go somewhere and I drive, ako lang mag-isa, parang nakakamiss, like, I want you here. Yeah, and I'm going now. I'm going tomorrow. It's sunny pero malamig. Yung hangin malamig sobra. And I don't like driving without the music on. Gusto ko lang may music. Music! Play the music! I'm so obsessed with this song. I'm going tomorrow. Guys, sold out yung blanket na gusto ko, and then yung mga cushions wala doon. I think they sold out, so I ended up buying this. So I got 2 shirts pang winter. They're only $4 for one. I think like this one, what I'm wearing now, they're only $4. Is so cheap, so I got 2. And then dalawang bread from Bread Top. This is the pork one and the sausage. That's my lunch. I'm going to my cousin's house now. Cousin ko nag-message, gusto niya she wants to go for a walk. So mag-walking kami now. So punta ako sa bahay niya. And yeah, I'm so devastated. I'm so devoy kasi buos na, wala na doon. Guys, I'm gonna have a coffee. That's a coffee. Oh, no, my Nescafe. Decaf? No. I don't like decaf. Where's David, Peter? Home? What? Oh, is he coming over tonight?
I don't know. I'll ring him now.
Yeah, okay. Whoa. Guys, I'm having my coffee and my bread, the sausage, and this one's pork. Do you want some? Some bread? Hi. Oi. Ada. Gusto mo? Makaon ka sa tinapay? Makaon ka? Hindi ka na mangape? Ha? Tinapay lang? Ano? Bok binat. Kaon ta? Nasi ka na? Sige na, boss. Ang na yung tugtugkay? He's outside. Oh, there you go.
On my table.
Oh, you can have this. I don't like this one. This fork.
No, you haven't found it?
I found it. It's on my table.
I'm gonna have that.
Oh my god.
Do you want half?
Are you videoing yourself?
What are you doing? I thought you were here to take the choice out for lunch.
Oh yeah, I like that one. I love that.
I didn't say lunch. I said walk.
You're not taking her out tonight.
No, we're walking.
We're gonna go for a walk.
What?
What?
Yeah, it's a nice little walk.
No, turn around, this way.
Oh, well done, Heidi. Oh.
Do you fart? Like so.
Yeah, we're going for a walk. We're going to Hallet Cove. Wait, and where's my phone? Oh my god. It's on phone. I don't know. There you go. Di ano na, batang ano, amisik. I-charge na tapos. Do you have a plug? Yeah, that one. That's for the. I can see. Yay! It's 1:30. Is it? What time is it now? That's fine. Okay. Wait.
Magwa ang iPhone 8 if it's good, I'll buy one.
Yeah, I'm getting iPhone 8 as well because my phone is shit.
Yeah, mine's as well.
I got my phone if you want. Alright, we're going. We're off.
This
It's
one?
1:30. It's 1:30 now.
Are you giving me?
Put on Spotify. Play the
Ay,
music.
hindi.
Right, we're going. We'll see you soon. Bye. We're here in Hallet Cove Beach. Hurry up! Quick! Run!
It's so hot. I'm dead.
Right, you want to sit there? I'll take a photo of you. Ready? No? Be careful. My god. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I'll take a photo of you.
Dali lang din ako nahinggit. Kasi ganyan. Pero di mo matama tayo. Kasi ganyan. Bako na dali lang ako nahinggit. Ako nahinggit mo ko. Pagpwede. Dali na na. Kaya tayo. Di ko. Yay!
We made it! We're here on the top. Oh, beautiful day. It's sunny. It's nice. Good weather. Oh my god. We're going home. It's so hot. What about you? Busy? No, that's good. But it's Thursday. It's
First day of
It's be
the
the busiest.
first day of the
Wednesday.
month.
Wednesdays.
really?
I didn't work yesterday.
You didn't work yesterday?
Usually Thursday and Fridays are busiest.
Yeah,
But
busiest.
last week and a bit have been pretty slow for us.
Oh, that's good. Good.
Yeah, no, good for us, but kind of bad for the store for money wise.
Okay,
Probably not
you
nice.
too.
See ya.
Have a good night.
Good night. It's not
Yeah,
night
it's
yet.
night time. Yeah,
It's on the tree.
night.
He said
So we're
today.
getting wicked wings.
And we're waiting for my wicked wings.
Yeah. 6, but how much was it?
What do I have?
Okay. Alright, one of your wicked wings. And we go home, we're going back to the house. Bye. Thank you. Alright, you too. Here you go.
Thanks.
Wicked wings!
Yeah, my wicked wings. Where's my card? Oh, you gave it to me.
Yeah, you have your card right. Okay, let's
I
go
have to
home
check
now.
if it's 6 wicked wings. They usually just
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah, we just got home. We went to Hallet Cove Beach and went to get KFC. Kasi hindi siya nag-breakfast in lunch. She's complaining that I'm hungry. But we're going to Marcus' place later. We're gonna have dinner, KFC. Do you want a drink?
Yeah, and I want my noodles.
Do you want noodles?
Yeah.
What do you want? Oh, no, leave the door open. Leave it open, it's too dark in here. I'm having Pine mango. Do you want pine mango?
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Wow. English? That was blend. I'm cooking mee goreng for her.
Thank you very much.
Satay mee goreng. Thank you very much. Oh, you can cook it if you want.
No, you're cooking. It says you're cooking me. So you're cooking.
Ikaw na taluto ka lang?
Paano lutuan mo kung gagawin?
Grabe, Val. Grabe, lutuan na pa ka? It's my home. We should cook for me. I don't cook for people.
For me, it's your home. That's the point.
What? Ano? Di na ano, something. Sige na, ikaw na ito. Oh, buta ka ng sauce.
Ibutan ko lang ang noodles sa ano. Ito, natatayin.
Oh my God.
Susugaw ko. Minsan, ang bago na to. Ano ko gagawin? Makadukad ako. Pwede mo hindi.
But let me put the TV on. What time do you want to go to your house later? We're home. We're having KFC and mee goreng. Well, she's cooking mee goreng. I'm not cooking. No way. I'm not cooking for you. You in my house? You bloody cook.
Is that movie thing?
Okay, sige. Put the movie on.
Ako bakit? Kagakain lang.
Nagkamadura?
Malipong ko, tika ron.
Wow, malipong ka.
Wait, ito ka mga gagata.
Buwangit, hindi sa bayaw. Dali lang. Ano naman? Yeah, this is how we speak in a language. So we talk in Ilonggo. This is how we talk. More like swear words. Swearing. But in a loving way. Swearing in a loving way. Wait, is the movie on? Wait, hang on. What's happening? It's not even turning on. There you go. KFC, my God. Yum. Wicked wings. Are you eating? Yeah, I'm on. I don't know. Cooking for you. Gagat ako. Nagbuang. Hmm? Hmm? Yeah, okay. Alright guys, we're just gonna eat, watch a movie, and then we're going to my auntie's house later, her house. We're gonna have a family dinner, and I'm gonna pick up Jordan later, siguro mga 10. Cooking, she's cooking. What are you cooking?
Stir fry.
Stir fry. This chop suey. Oh yeah. This is vegeta. What is this? Whatever that is. Yum, smells good.
Thank you.
Yum.
Two-time Wimbledon champion Petra Kvitova in the third round. But the Czech's comeback from a knife attack was ended by American Beth.
We got pressure all over the ground. In all three lines, and look, it's good to see Jarzi and Sam McGregor getting a reward for that effort. Probably goes unseen all the time, and it's really shining tonight.
Huh? I'm going home now. I'm just putting my shoes on. I'm going home to my house. I am home now. What time is it now? 8 o'clock. And my cousin is sleeping over here tonight.
Yeah.
He sounds very happy. And yeah, that's it for tonight. We're gonna have a movie night, Filipino movie night, and what? Nibble strings. Huh? And we got leche flan. We got leche flan for dessert again. I already had one before for dessert, and then I'm having another one. That's for tomorrow. I'm gonna save this one for tomorrow. Alright, I'm going now. I'm going to pick up Jordan. And you should be alright. Huh? I did. I'm gonna pick him up.
Loser. Excuse me.
Close the door. It's not alcohol, Jordan.
Obviously. 200-year Westpac party. The Australia's oldest company.
Okay. Do you have fun?
course.
Treat.
Little fun guy.
Treat.
Finger food.
Finger food. Okay. We're
Oh, you like
home. Very tight.
Wow. What's your handsome?
Hmm?
What's your handsome?
Good night.